So let's dive into the food. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel down below. Hit the red subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, give me some restaurants you may want me to go try, because believe me, your girl is gonna be somewhere eating something good every day. So let me know, alright? So in the to-go box, we have all the condiments I showed you guys. We have the chips with the salsa. First of all, let's just look at this salsa, y'all. It is packed with fresh tomatoes. You can see the cilantro. Delicioso. Have the sour cream, the dipping sauces, and definitely the freshly made guacamole. Okay, first box is the fuego rolls. So these are like little Mexican egg rolls. They are bites of heaven. Do you hear me? Fuego rolls. They are on the appetizer menu, about $9. Then over here, seafood enchiladas. The enchiladas are stuffed, packed, overfilled with shrimp and crab meat, and it's a beautiful lobster cream sauce on top. And that's what that is right there. I had to get extra because I'm extra all the time. Oh yeah. All right. We have the refried beans. I know that sounds super gross, but they are so good. And the rice and their little Mexican corn muffin. I don't think I'm saying it right. I think it's called something else, but it's delicious too. All right, y'all. Let's dig in. All right. First and foremost, let's get into these enchiladas. The fuego rolls, I'm very familiar with. They're delicious. They have a pop of heat, a pop of fire, a pop of spice. It's nice, though. I can't deal with super spicy food. I would like to, but my body tells me different. So, yeah, they're delicious. We're going to get to those in a minute. We got to get into these enchiladas. Okay? So let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Peep it. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it is pretty delicioso. You see the shrimp and the green onions. Ooh, all the spices. Let's see how it tastes. All right, this can get a little messy. You might want to put a bib on. I'm so excited, y'all. Food excites me. It literally makes me giddy, you know? I don't know how y'all feel about food, but I'm very passionate about what I eat. Okay, let's see what it's tasting like, what it's hitting for. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Y'all. The crab, the shrimp, the onions, the sauce, oh my goodness, the cream sauce. This is it. This is it. You hear me? Maybe I should show y'all the plate. Let's bring it into view. Okay. Now let's try these refried beans. I don't know why refried beans get such a bad rap. I mean, they do sound like something that was sitting in your fridge, you know what I'm saying? You have nothing else to eat. You're like, hey, go get them beans about to refrigerate them. Throw them on the stove or in the frying pan. We'll get that. Throw some little extra spices up in there. Freshen it up. Refry them beans. To me, they're good, though. To each his own. All right. They have this smoky, it's such a good texture too. It's not really mushy, because a lot of Mexican restaurants will bring you refried beans and it looks like mush, like they have just mushed the beans. But as you can see, the beans are not all mushy. Right there, it did kind of look mushy, doesn't it? But they're not. They're actually pretty well formed beans. A little mush. Okay. Okay. Now for the corn muffin thingy. Y'all, I kid you not, I promise you, it tastes like I'm eating a Mexican version of red beans and rice with some cornbread. Yeah, I could do this, y'all. And you know what? The best part of this whole meal is I got all of this food. It was actually $31 and some change. I got it all for $14.80. Groupon, boo. What you know about that? You best know about it. All this food for $14, $15? That's enough food for 2 people. I'm not gonna eat it all. Alright. I'm gonna get one more bite of the seafood enchilada, which again has the shrimp and the crab meat in it, and it's topped with that lobster cream sauce. Maybe I should have got a bib, huh? Anyway, on to the next thing, right? We have the fuego rolls. I kind of want to unroll it so I can show you guys what's inside, but I'm gonna bite this one first. Okay, this is the sauce. Let's see what it's hitting for. Magnifique. I'm so excited right now. I wish you guys were here with me. Not to help me eat my food. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I would share. I'm a sharer. Okay, so I felt like I should kind of do a mukbang, not with all the AMSR and all that stuff. Not unless you want me to, baby. But I kind of want to speak on being a single Christian woman and my struggles. Let me know below. Y'all comment below. Let me know how many of y'all out there single and Christian and struggle in certain areas. What areas do y'all struggle in? Me personally, I struggle with loneliness and rejection, right? I'm being super transparent right now. You know, in the world today, in America, in our society, singleness has been kind of blacklisted. Kind of like if you're single and you're 36, which I am, something must be wrong with you. How you 36 and you ain't married? Why are you such a beautiful woman and you ain't got no man? So for many years, I kind of suffered with, and I don't want to use the word suffered again, but I've dealt with feeling insufficient, feeling like something's wrong with me and something's missing, something must be wrong with me if I'm a successful woman. I'm independent. Do not depend on a man to pay my bills, and I'm educated. I have degrees with an S. I'm in school now to further my degree. I take care of my kids. What is wrong with me, right? Well, all glory and honor be to God that he has delivered me from that mindset. But, you know, I'm not going to lie. Some days I still slip into it. Today, I had a moment where I kind of felt I was, you know, feeling sorry for myself. Psh, ain't nobody got time for that though, right? Nope, no time at all. So I had to dust myself off and get out of that mindset. Remind myself that I am loved by the creator of the universe. I am the daughter of a king. You hear me? And all of you singles out there, y'all remember that too. It's not always gonna be what it is now. For all my people that's struggling, that's going through some things, it's not always gonna be like this. This is a season to prepare for what God has for you. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. I felt like I needed to just put that out there. Back to the food though. Y'all, it's been real. I'm gonna finish eating my food. Didn't even touch the chips with the freshly made salsa. Fuego Mexican Eatery, Ocean Road and Union, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Mobile, Alabama. Peep them out. Check them out. Go get y'all Groupon before it expires. Your boy Chris, the waiter, he was super cool, super nice. He threw me up all these extra sauces for no extra charge. I hope I don't get you in trouble, Chris. My bad if I did. He's a great waiter. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to try to rest this up. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed tomorrow, and a blessed life. Catch your girl on her next video doing something else extra. All right, guys.